Welcome to this exquisite French country home. This former Street of Dreams home is located in a highly sought-after West Linn neighborhood with Mount Hood views. Beautifully remodeled, it features gorgeous, entertaining spaces inside and out. Heading inside, discover a stunning interior with extensive millwork, 3/4-inch Brazilian cherry wood floors, and fine finishes including travertine. The gourmet remodeled kitchen has every amenity for the chef and the family with granite counters, peaceful views, an inviting dining nook, a quartz backsplash, a sub-zero refrigerator, and a large cooktop island. Enjoy your own private sanctuary in the main level master suite with access to a patio and a cozy fireplace. The huge spa-inspired master bath features separate vanities, a one-of-a-kind Art Deco shower enclosure, and a new pedestal tub. All bathrooms are remodeled with granite and porcelain tile floors. This more than 5,400 square foot home has plenty of space with 4 large bedrooms, including 2 ensuite bedrooms on the upper level. A hidden door takes you to your wine cellar. Entertain or just relax on the outdoor patios, overlooking the professionally landscaped yard. Other features include tranquil water features, newly painted exterior railings, and restored cedar siding. An exceptional home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Merri Ott with Premier Property Group at 503-310-2429.